Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit PDFs in Canva, so let's get right into it. First of all, what you want to do is upload your PDF to Canva. You can just go here on the main page, on your home page, go into this sort of cloud button and click there. That is the upload button, and you just click there and then click choose files or drop files there. You can manually drop them into Canva, or you can select them manually like this, and then you just click on that and it'll import the file into your recent designs, as you can see here. And once you are there, you just click on that, and once it's uploaded, you can open it up and start editing it however you want. You can edit the text, move it around, change the font, change the size, group things together, ungroup them, and pretty much edit it however you want. You can change the background color like so. You can do a couple of different things, such as adding more text. You can of course draw over the screen or the actual, what's it called, the page, like so. You can add elements such as shapes, you can add frames, you can add graphics, you can add a couple of different things. Let's just add this sort of square sort of shape. And yeah, as you can see, this is how you can edit it. As you can see, let me just make an example out of this. This word is in the foreground and the others are in the background. If you want to push them forward, you just right click, go into layer and move forward. And now if I move the square, it is still backward. But if I click here and just move it to the front face, or into the very first foreground, there is a button for that. As you can see, it is in front of my square, even though the rest is squarely behind it. And yeah, that is pretty much how you edit PDFs. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.